What's up, everybody? Aaron Morton here with Aaron Morton Real Estate. I want to talk about Clarksville for a minute and not real estate. This is about jobs, money, and what everyday life feels like here right now. Because if you felt like Clarksville was moving fast and you're trying to keep up, you're not imagining that. I talk to people all the time who feel like they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do, working, showing up, trying to plan, and the city around them just keeps accelerating. So let's level set real quick. Clarksville isn't in trouble economically, but it's also not standing still. Right now, this is a working economy. Jobs do exist. Paychecks are being written, but good positions are competitive, and moving up requires intention, not just effort. Now, that's the important distinction of what's going on. Over the last year, Clarksville and Montgomery County have attracted some very real investment. No hype, no rumors, actual money. You can see it. Actual companies, actual payroll. I mean, if you're not moving around, you're just living under a rock here in Clarksville, not to see what's going on. Now, one major international manufacturer committed billions with a B, billions of dollars to operations tied to this area, bringing hundreds of high-paying specialized jobs. That kind of investment doesn't show up unless a region checks a lot of boxes. Workforce, logistics, location, long-term confidence. This video is sponsored by Main Control Hair Care. They don't just style, they give care. Main Control specializes in women's healthy hair growth through regular treatment and protective styles that actually work, while also catering to men's hair care concerns. They offer growth oils, detox shampoos, and a full men's line for hair, face, and beard, plus nourishing butters for maintenance growth. Visit maincontrolsalon.com today to book your appointment and find real solutions for your hair concerns. At the same time, though, another large manufacturing operation announced close to 1,000 new jobs connected to Clarksville facility. Now, that really matters, not because of press releases, but because every new job adds pressure to the system. Here's what I'm saying. More people means more cars on the road, more demand for housing, more competition for rentals, more strain on the infrastructure that's already, in my opinion, coming close to its max, more need for schools, services, and planning. Now, don't get it twisted. Growth is good, but growth is loud, and Clarksville is in a loud phase right now. You see it every day, just like I do. You see it in the traffic. You see it in the construction. You see it in how fast things fill up. You see it in how employers are holding onto good workers tighter than they used to. Now, this doesn't mean that the city is out of control by far, right? It means it's just maturing. Clarksville is transitioning from a quiet, affordable alternative into a more competitive regional hub. And those transitions are uncomfortable if you're not prepared for them. So if you're looking to work or have better paying jobs, random applications probably won't cut it. Targeted moves matter more than ever. If you're employed, stability and skill building matters. Okay? Being replaceable is more dangerous in a competitive economy than a slow one. So if you're planning your next chapter, career-wise, financially, or personally, it's smart to assume Clarksville is going to continue to grow. Waiting for those things to get back to how it used to be ain't the plan, my guy. This city isn't broken. It's just busy. And it's becoming something bigger than it used to be. I moved here 5 years ago, and the pace that I'm starting to see now, I couldn't even imagine it. I'm happy for it though, because I like to see the city grow. So I'm going to keep doing these local quick checks about what's going on in Clarksville. Now, if there's a business coming to town, if there's a factory or a job that you're interested in and you want to let me know about so I can pass it out to the masses, drop it in the DM. I would love to hear from you. And one more thing, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video, and please share it with those out there that you feel this could be some useful resource for them. Once again, I'm Aaron Morton. Thanks for listening to me, and I'll catch you on the next video.